Preeminent Court Justice Clarence Thomas has hammered Democrat Senator Cory Booker over his humiliating summon of Spartacus amid a weeks ago affirmation hearings for Brett Kavanaugh. Booker was broadly ridiculed subsequent to undermining to oppose the Senate's principles and discharge what he guaranteed were classified archives concerning Kavanaugh's past. "This is about the nearest I'll most likely ever have in my life to an I am Spartacus minute," Booker gladly expressed to a paralyzed Congress. FoxNews.com reports, Thomas, who called his own particular petulant affirmation hearing in 1991 a cutting-edge lynching, took a poke at Booker amid a discussion with the Federalist Society that publicized Wednesday on C-SPAN. Fair, in the event that we could utilize that word about more individuals who are in broad daylight life, individuals who really make the inquiries at affirmation hearings, rather than Spartacus, Thomas stated, inciting boisterous chuckling in the gathering of people. The broadly careful legal scholar went to regret that the plainly fanatic affirmation hearings may represent a risk to common society as legislators are more intrigued by scoring political focuses as opposed to questions the appropriateness of candidates. On the off chance that we could utilize the word decent more regularly, consider the distinction it'll make, he said. At that point, you'll have a heritage. We will have left the nation fit as a fiddle, ethically, fundamentally than we discovered it. In any case, insofar as we're taking a gander at our interests, or scoring focuses, or looking charming, or being on TV, Thomas proceeded, particularly the legitimate framework, how would we look after it? On the off chance that you can't discuss difficult issues truly, with respect, with trustworthiness, how would we keep a common society? After Booker's emotional affirmation, it was uncovered that the potential 2020 presidential race contender, as of now had the endorsement to reveal the messages and the display was only showy behavior. "We cleared the records the previous evening soon after Senator Booker's staff asked us to," William Burke, an attorney working for previous President George W. Shrubb told the New York Times. "We were shocked to find out about Senator Booker's showmanship toward the beginning of today since we had just disclosed to him he could utilize the records freely. Truth be told, we have said yes to each demand made by the Senate Democrats to make archives open," he included. Obviously, somebody simply needed to disrupt the norms and make a scene, however didn't browse their email, a representative for Board of Trustees Republicans said in an announcement. The majority of this dramatization toward the beginning of today obviously was in vain and it's tragic, Senator John Cornyn, Republican Texas, told correspondents.